If you have private data that you want to password protect in Domo, you can use encryption to protect it. In this video, we will show you how to use the Encrypt Data Transform. In our dataset, you can see that we have some personal information like social security numbers, credit card numbers, and credit card CVV values that we want to encrypt. We want to encrypt all of that so someone looking at this dataset wouldn't have access to this information unless they have a specified password. This is really helpful for things like HR data or HIPAA compliance data. We are going to encrypt that by using our Encrypt Data Transform. We will find that in the Transform section and select the Encrypt Data Transform. Then select Next and Finish. We will start by going to the drop-down menu for encrypted columns and choosing the columns that we would like to encrypt, then selecting OK. After selecting OK, we will want to turn on the Obfuscate Values toggle, which ensure uniqueness across similar values. So, if you have multiple values with the name Jen, for example, it would ensure that those are all encrypted differently to guarantee that the values cannot be guessed. If you do not switch on the Obfuscate Values toggle, then all the similar values will have the same encryption value. After toggling the Obfuscate Values toggle, you can preview the dataset. Any encrypted values will hide the values and show the word encrypted in its place. From the Encrypt Data Transform, we can enable access to the encrypted data. The only way to manage access will be to have a password for specific users. To set that up, we will go to the Manage User Access list. We are going to enable Adam Christiansen to see the encrypted data. Now select the Edit icon on the side. This modal allows us to enable Adam Christiansen access to encrypted data. Toggle on Access Enabled. Next, set the password that Adam will use to see the data. You can then confirm the password. Last, we will save Adam's access information. Now Adam has changed from disabled to enabled, and now he will be able to access encrypted information with this password in Domo. In Domo, Adam can drill down to the data in our dataset. You can see that the columns with encrypted data are locked. Adam can now click the lock to access the data after he enters his password. Adam now has access to the encrypted data. Alternatively, Adam may access encrypted data directly from a sumo table. Adam will be able to click the lock icon on an encrypted column and enter his password. Use encryption to safely protect your sensitive data in Domo.